Insurance companies track which law firms file lawsuits and which law firms actually go to trial. And so if you go see a lawyer and they don't try cases, they don't file complaints, they don't go to court, the insurance company knows that. They have no reason to pay what's fair. So the only way to get what's fair is to have a team of lawyers behind you.
It really comes down to accountability. You need to demonstrate to the insurance companies that ultimately you will be held accountable to do the right thing.
When you have an attorney looking at the case, or multiple attorneys looking at the case, that's always going to benefit the client. Those attorneys are then able to identify potential issues with the case and devise remedies or ways to address those problems. Also, that's going to identify strengths in the case and allow the attorneys to focus on those strengths. Ultimately, that's going to benefit the client by a higher settlement amount.
Definitely, we collaborate as a team. We have meetings on a weekly basis where all the attorneys sit down and we talk about cases. We talk about strategy, we talk about new laws that are coming out. If you walked around our office, you would see the doors open and attorneys in each other's office brainstorming and talking about cases.
Attorneys' skill sets are issue spotting and legal analysis, and so when a group of attorneys can get together and look at your case, we can bounce ideas off of each other if we need to pivot our strategy to be more successful on your case. Whatever it may be, having attorneys look at it, though, is more beneficial.
It's definitely a superior model to have a team of attorneys, and we spend a lot of time here bouncing our cases off one another, and really when you hire Henness and Haight, you're not just getting me, you're getting our entire team.
Only about 10% of our cases have to go to court, but when those cases go to court, we have to do our very best and we have to show the insurance company that we're going to win. And that's what allows the other 90% of our cases to settle for a fair value. And the only way you can win those cases is to have the resources and the talent and the hard work and the manpower behind you.
Put another way, we have built our firm in a way that we can go the distance with the insurance company. And because they know that, it's a matter of, they know they're going to pay at some point, whether they pay now or pay later. And for most insurance companies, when they do the math, it's much more inexpensive for them to pay now, which is a benefit to our clients.